primary residence. It's our retirement home. We had moved here 6 years ago to retire. We're gonna lose a lot. Gonna lose a lot. That we do know. So, especially if they keep letting it come up like this, that's why they've evacuated the town, because they expect it to be worse than the flood of 1986. According to people, the water got probably 1.5 feet deep inside this house in '86, so it's flooded before. We just put everything brand new in this house, pretty much, and it's all gonna get ruined if they continue letting it come up and it ends up inside the house. So I dread it. I dread it. I seriously do. I dread to see what we have to come back to. Yeah, it's getting up there.
Past that.
Getting up here.
If not a little further up.
Come, girlfriend.